Hey everyone, Josh Smith with GotToBeMobile.com. Today we're checking out the BMW 850i and we're checking out wireless CarPlay. So I have my iPhone here and it is connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now I can use all of my apps and check all my messages, pull up Waze, do everything like that without plugging my phone in. BMW is one of the only manufacturers that includes wireless CarPlay. Now with CarPlay on the BMW, you do need to subscribe to that. I believe it's about $99 a year. And with that, you get plug-in CarPlay as well as the wireless CarPlay. So with wireless CarPlay, I can do everything I can do on a normal CarPlay setup. On the BMW 850i here, we have a beautiful widescreen, and the screen takes advantage of that, showing us more information all at once. We have access to all of our information over here, as well as Siri. We can pop into any of our different apps and use them just like we normally would if we were plugged in. But the real benefit to this is if I'm just cruising around town, I can still get all of my CarPlay access without plugging my phone in. So if you're making a bunch of stops as you run around and do some errands, you can still enjoy CarPlay. And that's something that a lot of us will normally just rely on Bluetooth for, even if we have CarPlay. If you're in and out of the car a lot, it can be a hassle to plug in. Now with this model, you can use the touchscreen to control, and you can also use BMW's dial knob as well as the little joystick. On the 850i, you have a crystal shifter, not available on every BMW with Apple Wireless CarPlay. While you're still getting basically the same CarPlay experience, with wireless CarPlay, it's way more convenient and it's something that we would use way more often when we're driving around town, which really ups the value of adding that. We wish more manufacturers would support Apple CarPlay with wireless standards, and hopefully we'll see that soon. Thanks for joining me to check out wireless Apple CarPlay in the BMW 850i. If you found this video useful, give us a like, leave us a comment, and let us know what you think about this feature, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.